This alcohol liquid is my green almond. You can even see me through the glass. That's kind of cool. Hi there, culture eater. How are you doing? So yeah, sorry for the weird setup. I am at the cottage, so I'm just using my phone and the best that I could do. But I wanted to do my part 3 green almond liqueur. So check out part 1, part 2. I'll link to it at different parts in this video. So, on April 16, 2017, I started the process of making my own green almond liqueur. And I got the inspiration from a trip I took a couple of years ago to Austria, where I visited my cousin. And he made me taste a green walnut liqueur, which was just knocked the socks right off of me. It was phenomenal. And he made it himself. He told me how. And fortunately, in North America, you cannot get the green walnuts. There are only like black walnuts, and they can be toxic. But I had an idea. I remembered that usually in early spring or very, very early summer, a Middle Eastern grocery store near where I live always sells green almonds. They're still really fresh. You can cut right through them. So, hey, why not? I said, let's try it with the green almonds and see what happens. I also have an entire blog post that I am going to link up to right now that you can check out, and you can do the own recipe. So I macerated everything for 6 weeks. I had some vodka, sugar, cinnamon, a citrus peel, my green almonds, let that macerate for 6 weeks in sunlight in a big jar. And on May 2nd, I filtered that through, bottled it, and I had to wait 1 year. You're supposed to wait at least 4 months, but ideally you wait 1 year before it's ready to be served. And guess what? It's been a year. So excited. So we're going to do a final taste test together. I can't believe I've been so patient. Like a year ago last year felt like forever. I didn't know if I was going to be able to stand it or not. But if you watch the whole part 2, you'll see I did a quick taste test at the beginning, and the liquid was not quite as clear. And now all the, even though I filtered it, there's always a little bit of sediment. Everything went down way to the bottom of the bottle. I'll show you a couple of pics I took of the bottle on the windowsill at my house. You can see just a little bit at the bottom what's the impurities that have accumulated, so it's easy to filter it out. And here we go. Look at how beautiful and clear this alcohol liquid is. My green almond. You can even see me through the glass. That's kind of cool. That could be a fun thumbnail maybe. But yes, when I tasted it just before bottling it, it was really harsh. Like, it was really, really harsh. So now I have tasted it, but I will do a little bit of a taste test with you right now. You can definitely tell it's matured a lot. It's a lot smoother. You don't have that harsh flavor anymore that you had at the beginning. But it still has a very light green almond flavor. It's nothing like amaretto. Let me put it maybe over here so you see it a bit better. It's nothing like amaretto. You know, amaretto is a lot darker, tastes really strong like almonds. It's super, super sweet. This does taste like almond, but it's very fresh. Like, you really get that green, fresh flavor of it. It is quite sweet. It's really hard to describe. I can't think of any other alcohol really to compare it to, because liqueurs are usually a lot heavier and more viscous in texture. This is light, like it's like a clear alcohol. So it's kind of like tasting the sweetness of a liqueur, but with the consistency of like an eau de vie, like a grappa. Not quite as strong, but it's got more like a grappa or brandy, fruit brandy texture flavor to it, but a little sweeter. So it's really, really nice and smooth. There's still a little tiny bit of harshness, but barely nothing left. It's really lovely. I'm really happy I made this experiment. So come on over to my place and have a little flavor because I have a whole bottle of this stuff. So let me know, have you made anything similar to this before in the past? I would love to hear your experiments of making your own liqueurs at home. Make sure to leave me comments down below the video in the comment boxes. And I hope that you really enjoyed this. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new videos to come. And always remember to eat and travel outside of your comfort zone. I will see you very soon again. Mwah! Bye.